Check out this calculator I built using X's latest AI model Grok 3. It's incredibly fast. Let's put it to test. 78 divided by 2 equal to 39. That's correct. Let's clear the calculator. Now let's try multiplication. 7 multiply with 8 is equal to 56. Spot on. The calculator is working flawlessly. Today we will put Grok 3 to the test in logic, math, coding, images and file handling to see if it truly lives up to its hype. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the test, let's quickly understand deep search and think the two new reasoning modes in Grok 3. Deep search. This mode actually scans a massive amount of data to retrieve precise answers from existing knowledge. It's great for fact-based queries, technical lookups, and fast problem solving, but doesn't necessarily think through problems. Let me ask it, who discovered penicillin? And I'm gonna click over here. You can see it's thinking and look at it. Browsing results. It has completed it in 26 seconds and it has searched 43 sources. You can see it has given us key points, background, discovery details, unexpected details, etc. And towards the end, you can see it has also given us the key citations. And here is the conclusion. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin in 1928 through a chance observation at St. Mary's Hospital, London, was a cornerstone of modern medicine. Now the other mode is the think mode. This mode is designed for logical reasoning, problem solving, and complex decision making. Instead of just retrieving answers, it processes information step by step, mimicking human thought-like processes. Let me demonstrate it. So here is my question. If Alexander Fleming had not discovered penicillin, how might modern medicines be different today? Let me choose think option and I'm gonna click on this upward arrow and let's see the response. It's thinking. Instead of pulling a single fact, it is analyzing possibilities. Now you can see it's thinking through the problem, reasoning with itself to find the answer. And there you go. It has crafted the response and let me show you the snippets of it. And there is delayed onset of antibiotic era, shift in medical approaches, different antibiotic landscape, impact on medicine and society, modern medicine today. I'm not gonna read it. And the difference is a key. Deep search finds facts while think mode reasons through problem. First of logic, let's see if Grok 3 can reason through a tricky puzzle. We'll use both deep search and think to compare results. A farmer has a fox, a chicken, and a bag of grain. He needs to cross a river but can only take one at a time. If left alone, the fox will eat the chicken and the chicken will eat the grain. How does he get everything across safely? First, let me check it through deep search. Let me click over here and wait for the results. Again, you can see it's searching, analyzing the river crossing. And here you can see thinking, analyzing the river, confirming solution efficiency, evaluating crossing. And just look at it, how long it has gone to find the answer to the question that we have posed it to. And finally, here is the answer. The farmer can safely reach the river with the fox, chicken and grain using either a 5-step method, taking the grain first, then the fox, then the chicken, or vice versa with the fox first or the... So you can actually read it and it has also given us the citations as well. Now let me put think mode to test. Let me click on think and let's go. It's thinking. So here is the response. It has thought for 49 seconds and again, over here you can see the brief summary of what it has actually thought. Take the chicken across to the other side, return along the starting side, take the fox across. Believe me, it has given us the perfect response, but it has taken too much time. Rather, 49 seconds you can see right over here. And in the former case, it almost took 1 minute and 10 seconds. Although both deep search and think mode has given us the perfect and a precise response, but the deep search has actually searched the entire internet, evaluated different responses and has given us the perfect response to the problem. But the think mode has reasoned it with itself and came up with the same response, but it has taken way less time than deep search. Next, let's challenge its math skills. Can Grok 3 show correct steps or will it just throw out an answer? This time I'm gonna stick myself only to think mode. 3 bracket start x minus 3 bracket closed is equal to 12, and I'm choosing think option. Let me click over here. 6 seconds and it's going through the problem, reasoning with itself to find the answer, and there you go. There is our answer, and the answer is 7. And here you can see step-by-step response to our question. Now for the ultimate test, can Grok 3 code, we'll ask it to build a real working tool. So here is my prompt: create a simple calculator in HTML with beautiful 3D graphite color buttons. And this time I'm gonna click over here to see what kind of calculator it's gonna create. It's writing the HTML script. You can see it's taking its time, and there you go. It has almost created it, the HTML code for the calculator. And here you can see we can copy the code right from here, we can wrap it, and from here we can preview it. So I'm gonna click on preview to see our calculator, and there you go. Here is our calculator. Let me test it out. 78 plus 89. Let me click on is equal, and there is the response. Let me clear it from here. 45 divided by 3 is equal, and there is the response. Just look at the buttons. As we hover over them, their transparency gets changed a bit, which gives a really good look to our calculator. Now let's push Grok 3's creative side. It aims to generate high quality images based on description. Let's test it. Now let's push Grok 3's creative side. It claims to generate high quality images based on description. Let's test it. So here is my prompt: create an image of a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars and a neon skyscraper. So this time I'm going to choose this option, create image, and this time I'm not going to choose either think or a deep search option. Rather, I'm going to click over here to see what does it come up with. And there you can see it is trying to create images for us. And there you can see it has slowly started creating the image that we've asked for. Just look at it. And there you go. It has created the futuristic city. And let me zoom it. And there you can see we can copy the link from here, or we can actually save it. Let me click over here to save it to see how does it look like. And there you can see the image is really beautiful. It does look like a futuristic city. And there you can see the flying cars all across the city, and some of the veins going through this road as well. Although it has created a very good image, but presently we can't compare it with Midjourney or other image generating tools. Finally, Grok 3 now lets you upload files like PDF for analysis. Let's see how well it understands documents. I'm gonna upload a document into it. I have this PDF research paper about solar photovoltaic. Let me click over here. It's now being uploaded to it. And let me write my prompt. So here is my prompt. Give me the summary of the findings in this paper. Let me test Grok 3 again. And here is the response. You can see the future of photovoltaic reported by International Renewable Energy Agency, published in 2019, outlines the critical role of solar photovoltaic, and the rest can be read over here. And believe me, it has given us the perfect response, summarized everything inside the paper. As I have already read the paper, so I know the response is perfect and precise. So did Grok 3 pass on our test? Which mode impressed you the most, deep search or think? And what do you think about its image generation and file analysis features? Let me know in the comments. And if you love my content, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into cutting edge tech.